How's it going, everybody? This is Tim Binney. Just gonna go over my code for week 3 for this class. First of all, what did you do for the project? Obviously, follow the directions. Made one project of where all of the code and all of the changes of color and all the labels are being done in the actual code here, as you can see. And then I made another project where it's done mostly on the storyboard, with the exception of the actual for loop and everything. And then you can see here we have the IB outlet info label connecting to the last label down here for the list of items in our array. I have the simulator already up, so you guys can see that it doesn't show up as a label. It shows up as my actual list of items here, commas, spaces, and I threw in an exclamation point in one of them too. But just showing you guys that it actually doesn't just produce this, it produces this because I have it set up in the view controller.swift to produce info label from this code right here. One thing I think I can do better is I don't think that this is not, I don't think what she actually wanted us to do. This is more like the normal code that we work with, like in titanium and everything. I could not figure out how to do this without doing it the way that we've learned in like the first couple of months of for loops and with i's setting it to 0 and everything. I do not know if I changed the syntax or took out a few things, if I could switch it to make it look more like Swift code or not, but I would really like to know. This is the only way I could actually get it to work. I tried a couple different ways not using this exact format, but this is the only thing I could actually get to run properly. So I would like to see it if it's possible to do it a different way. But yeah. Then just to show you that this one works as well, I will just run the simulation on this one just so you can see, like, this is the one with all the code. So hopefully this simulator will actually run here in a second. There we go. And there we go. It's all set up the same deal. I have all my 5 things down here with the commas and ands. And yeah, that's it for this week. Compare the creating the labels and colors in the storyboard and creating them in code. I found that creating them in the storyboard was obviously much quicker because you didn't have to write all of this code, but either way, I mean, it's the same. This stuff, placing it, having to place it like this makes it very difficult, whereas the storyboard obviously cuts a lot of time, where there's no guessing. You can size it and do whatever you want. So obviously the storyboard is the quicker route, but having both makes it unbelievably easy to work with, because if you forget something or if you just want to quickly change the color or add number of lines, you don't have to search through all of the nonsense over here. You can just put in the code right where you need it and boom, you're done. So I can't wait to learn more with this, and hopefully we'll figure it out next week. So see you guys then. Take care.